Hey teachers, if you're like me and you heard today that we are going to be teaching from home, that school is closed the rest of the year, you're wondering how are you going to do this from home without the usual tools that you have at school, like your whiteboard and your document camera. So I'm going to show you how to make a document camera really quickly. It is pretty easy. All you're going to need for this is a pair of wire cutters to cut the zip ties, a measuring tape, a marker, and something to cut the pipe with. I have a pipe cutter for PVC, but you can use just a regular hacksaw. You need 6 90-degree elbows. This is all 3/4 inch Schedule 40 PVC. One joint that looks like this, a 90 with an out. And then you need a 3-inch piece, a 6-inch piece, a 10-inch piece, 3 13-inch pieces, and 1 15-inch piece of pipe. And that's all you need. I'll show you how to make it. All you need really is a piece of 3/4 inch Schedule 40 pipe about this long, and it really is pretty quick, especially with these cutters. But again, you can use just regular old hacksaw. 2 and 3, 4, and you'll need a 5th cut. I cheated a little bit. I had the 3-inch piece from another piece of pipe that I already cut. So anyway, it only takes that long to cut your pipe. Let me show you how to build it. Okay, first you're going to take your 3-inch or your 13-inch piece, and you're going to put a couple elbows on it facing in the same direction. And then you take another 13-inch piece, and all we're going to do is make a U. Put another 90. Whoops, actually not the 90. We want the this tri piece with an out, angle with an out. Put your third 13-inch piece, and these 2 end 90s just kind of keep it level and so that it is all even. Now you're going to take your 15-inch piece and put it on the top. Take another 90, your 3-inch piece, another 90, your 10-inch piece, your 90, and then this little 6-inch piece. Okay, and then what you have, you can literally work with your document camera. It is fully adjustable up and down. You can turn it side by side. You can adjust your camera this way, and you can really zoom in on whatever you want to zoom in on. And now you have a document camera at home. What's really cool is that I used a magic mount. This is a magic mount, iPhone mount, or actually any camera mount, and it mounts to a handlebar on a bike, so any bike handlebar phone mount would work. And so it's magnetic, and you put the magnets on the back of your phone, and you can clip it right to it. That's the only other piece I didn't have on here because the store only had one, but really any one will do. But I kind of like the magnet one because you can put it landscape, you can put it portrait, any way that you want. You can even use this as a tripod to film if you want to film some of your lessons that way. Just to recap the parts, you have 3 13-inches piece. Anyway, to recap for the parts, all you need is 3 13-inch pieces of 3/4 inch Schedule 40 PVC, and you need 1 2 3 90-degree elbows, 1 90 with an out, and then you need a 15-inch piece going up, a 90-degree elbow, and then a 3-inch piece, a 90-degree elbow again, and then a 10-inch piece to come out, and then just to strap your bike mount, handlebar phone bike mount onto. This is about a 6-inch piece. That one really doesn't matter. The nice thing is that you can use that to adjust, and again, the thing is all adjustable up and down. You can zoom in any way you want, or again, even use it as a as a tripod to film with your iPhone. So that is how I made my document camera, and it cost me about $27. I think the Magic Mount was on sale for $18, and the rest was just in pipe. Anyway, so that's my homemade document camera made out of PVC pipe, a handlebar phone mount, and an iPhone. So please share this with as many teachers as you can, because I'm sure there's lots of teachers out there that are trying to figure out how they're going to finish up their school year teaching from home, and a document camera would sure help them do that. Good luck and stay healthy, and have a great rest of your home school year.